The primary way to check your call history on Simple Mobile is through their mobile app, available on both iOS and Android. First, download the Simple Mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, log in using your Simple Mobile account credentials. The app has enhanced security features, including end-to-end encryption for call history data and optional biometric authentication for quicker access. Navigate to the Usage or Call History tab. The exact name may vary slightly depending on your app version. Within this section, you'll find a detailed log of incoming, outgoing, and missed calls. You can typically filter this history by date, phone number, or call type. Note that call history is generally available for the last 18 months, and international calls while roaming might not always log completely. While the Simple Mobile app is the most convenient method, alternative options exist. You can also check your call history by logging into your account on the Simple Mobile website. The web portal mirrors the app's functionality, allowing you to view your call logs in the My Account section. For users without smartphone access, calling Simple Mobile customer service at 1-877-878-7904 or dialing 611 from your Simple Mobile phone are viable alternatives. A customer service representative can provide a verbal summary of your recent call history. Be aware that third-party apps claiming to provide call history details are not officially supported by Simple Mobile and may pose privacy risks. As of 2025, Simple Mobile does not offer offline storage of call history, and data retention aligns closely with the industry average of 18 months.